Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Chainlink from MetaMask to Tangem Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to secure your Chainlink Link tokens or just switch wallets for better management, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups in the blockchain world. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the basics set up. You'll need the MetaMask extension installed on your browser with your Chainlink tokens in it, and your Tangem wallet ready to receive funds. If you haven't already, download the Tangem app and set up your wallet. It's user-friendly and super secure. Step 1. Open your MetaMask wallet and connect to the Ethereum network, since Chainlink operates on it. Select your account that holds the Link tokens. Now, hit the Send button to start the transfer process. Step 2. In the To field, paste the wallet address from your Tangem wallet. You can find this by opening the Tangem app, selecting your wallet, and copying the address. Double-check this address. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 3. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer. Remember to leave some ETH for gas fees, as you'll need that to cover transaction costs. Once everything looks good, review the details and hit Confirm. After you approve the transaction, MetaMask will prompt you to sign it with your wallet password. Go ahead and do that. Your transaction will then be broadcast to the blockchain. This might take a minute or two, depending on network congestion in 2025. Finally, once it's confirmed, head over to your Tangem wallet app to verify that the Chainlink has arrived. You can check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan for peace of mind. And there you have it. Your Chainlink is now safely in your Tangem wallet. This step not only enhances security but also gives you more control over your assets. If you run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto safe.